Hello and welcome. It is that of the 7th day of July 2020. My name is Derek and this is the Money Charts channel, where like always all bets, trades, and of the like, that's within each's own risk and their own reward. I'm going to go over silver, fractional silver as well. Fractional as in that half ounce coins, 3/4 ounce, the grams section. Oftentimes when you buy them, they're just so expensive. Are they really worth the purchase? And I want to go over that. And for me, silver, holding the physical silver, of course, I've always been, I own it, I hold it, and I want to hold of it myself the most that I can. Cryptocurrencies, I love for the fact that I can hold private keys. Silver, I can literally hold the silver in my palm, my hands, and so on. I bought some silver, and I bought fractional silver. Again, I'm going to explain that in the video, show you the coins that I bought. But before we do that, let's take a look at the setup. The daily time frame is just a magnificent setup, I believe. The weekly chart is fantastic. And within this, we have, those are the two time frames we're going to go over. But the current situation, Rudy Gobert lows, all that stuff, big capitulation on the short-term run. $17 and change down to under 12. Of course, buying at that price, not going to happen. And premiums getting out of control, making a pattern of all these higher highs and higher lows. As it didn't resist the 38.2% Fibonacci, it rather supported getting above this level. Then it did resist the 61.8%, but it has been doing nothing but fantastic things ever since exitation of that level on May the 15th. And now we're looking at, well, since June the 1st, basically the entire month, and then this week as well, it has been nothing but sideways consolidation. 18 average of lows has been phenomenal as far as being that of support. But what is so interesting is how we see the 18 average of highs and price action showing a lot of strength amongst such. To me, this setup looks like it's going to go off and go for big moves very soon. Of course, time will only tell what happens. The weekly chart, I love this setup as well. This is a situation in which we have resistance in September of last year. It's already came back to this general area, and it did so fast. But like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little periods like this, and it's consolidating at the lower end of this range. To me, a conservative thing is it's going to have a fast move up to 19 and change and test this level of resistance that it did before. But I'm even thinking, well, next we got that 20. That most likely, it's probably going to pierce above this and at least break this support, 19.5. That most likely is going to happen within the next couple of weeks. That's pretty much how I'm looking at the situation. I guess I'll do the monthly chart, but a very strong situation pattern that I'm seeing here on the monthly term time frame. So those are the charts. I bought silver today. See, I buy from silvergoldbull.ca. It's the only place it's the only place I buy from now, and I have for the past probably 7 years or such. It's the only place I've been buying from, and they're phenomenal. They're not advertising anyway. But what I have is I get emails from them. Every so often they'll give you deals, and they call it the flash specials. This is it. Save $4 a coin right here on 1/2 ounce random year Devil's Brigade silver coin. Oh, I hope they give me this coin is beautiful here. Although this one's cool too. So I'm hoping that it's really nice, but save $4 a coin. Well, okay, well, let's click on this. And how it works is it's $20.41 if you buy one with bill payment, check, or Bitcoin. PayPal or credit card, it's about another 80 cents more. Because they have to take fees out of that. Bitcoin, I was the one that paid 76 cents to get rid of my Bitcoin of a fee, or 67 or 76. I just quickly looked, how much does it cost? So yeah, I don't mind that price. So, I mean, it's not like they go through those fees, and so be it. But you get a cheaper discount if you buy 10. It's $19.66 and $18.91, but it's $4 off even after that. So $19 it costs for 20. Subtract 4, that's about 15. Well, that's $30 an ounce. And in Canadian dollar terms, that is a phenomenal price to be able to get. I mean, these are some of the pictures that we're looking at. But to be able to get the fractional price at the price you normally would spend, because that's the going rate for silver for a good $30. In fact, I would probably buy like an ounce of a tarnished whatever, like it's an ounce of silver, And the most I'd probably spend, I'd easily spend 27, 28 for it. So to get this at 30, yeah, I think that's, and I bought a bunch of these. They'll come in the mail, and I'll add to my silver collection. So that's what I like to do, is find the deals, get them that way. I like to have all the different sizes that I can get. I don't have my 100 ounce yet, because you need to have a decent, to me, I think you have to have a lot of silver to have 100 ounce units, bars, of course, most likely in shape. But for me, I think you should have a bunch of 1 ounce. That's a common one, of course, is the 1 ounces. But then you got 10 ounce pieces, and maybe you find the 2 ounce, 5 ounce. Of course, these fractional ones, that's what I like to have. And then after that, I get into kilos. And then after kilos, well, that's 100 ounces. So if you own like 5,000 ounces of silver, then yeah, you should have 100 ounce bars in there. Most likely, depending on, of course, what you hold. You don't have to, of course. If you got a whole bunch of monster boxes, as they call it, just stored as they are, or however you got your bars or other stuff that you have, you don't need it. But to me, I don't think you need 100 ounce bars if you got 3 or 4 or 500 ounces of silver. Thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.